So, are you ready for your grand trial? Heck yeah. Let's fight! I don't really see that it's quite fair that there's 5 of you and only 1 of me. But I'll allow it. Bring it on. Ah! Boom. Oh yeah, get nay-nayed. We need a battle coach. I knew just the person.
Okay guys, wait right here. Okay, I'm back. So, these are the people you're talking about? That's exactly right, Professor. Oh, well then, hello, I'm Professor Rotom, and I will be your new battle coach. I will travel with you all to make sure that you are battling correctly.
Yada yada yada, let's just cut to the chase. What's our first battle tip?
Well, you need to train, dummies.
Litten, why are we here? Well, to train, obviously. But why did we have to go all the way to Route 3? Come on, it's not that bad. It was a really long climb, but it'll be worth it for the slightly higher level Pokemon. I need screen time. I'm the generic bird type character that will be killed off immediately.
It's time to die.
Ouch.
Your time ends here, Birdman.
Make one move and you're dead. I have the high ground. High ground, schmy ground, big boy, you're already dead.
My power level is over 9,000!
Hey, save some of the generic bird characters for us. Simpletons. I do not need the generic bird characters anymore, because I am a higher level than any of you could have imagined. Level 3?
Who told you?
This is gonna be a long day. This will be the battle that decides who will fight the kahuna. Wait a minute, can't we all fight the kahuna? I have emerged victorious. Carl, that kills people. But for real though, the battle hasn't started yet.
Well, how was I supposed to know that?
Okay, the battle starts now. You have the type disadvantage. Oh, mierda. Ember! Duh. I think I won. I don't even see Pichu, so I guess I won. What the heck?
Die.
Looks like Team Rocket's blasting off again. I won. The final battle.
Fight.
I'm gonna take you down. I'll have you know I'm in Smash Bros. Aren't you like the worst character because you like hit yourself? I just want to be a part of something. Oh, boo-hoo. Let me press F on the world's smallest keyboard. I guess I just won.
By the power of generic bird character.
Nani? Yeah. Get back on screen. You can't escape. Someone help! So how many bones have you broken?
My self-esteem.
I guess I still have that one. Frick. Ha. The generic bird character has won.
You guys suck. Seriously, if you can't beat one single picky peck, then you'll never beat the island challenge or whatever the heck this is.
All you did was tell us to train. You're a bad coach.
Did that feel like a bad coach to you?
Where'd you take him to?
To a Pokemon Center. I think they can do it.
Maybe that generic bird character was just really strong or something, just defending its brethren or something. I doubt it. Those kids don't look like they can do anything without the help of someone else.
Well, they did beat the first trial.
Yeah. Well, I guess I'll help train them next time.
Yay! Alright, let's go.